Well, I got a bit of a rude surprise when I woke up this morning. Another couple of large leaves from this bloody paper bark have hit my garden again. You can see it on the ground there. Those of you that have been watching videos will be familiar with some of the vegetables that are under those branches at the moment. And it looks as if there's another one here just waiting to come down. I've had a worried phone call from the neighbours at the back that are worried about it falling on their house. But it's time for me to gear up, fire up the chainsaw and try and sort this mess out. It never rains but it pours around this place. Right folks, we're now dealing with the aftermath. I still have some twigs and stuff to pick up. I've said a few things have been beaten about. I suppose the only good news is that the things that have been beaten about were the things that got beaten about last time. You can see there's some rather ugly looking hanging branches there that are liable to fall. I've had to stop worrying about this zucchini here because it's had a complete pounding, and anything that comes out of that now will be a bonus. But most things seem to have survived. This passion fruit plant is absolutely blessed because this damn tree has dropped 3 loads of branches on the garden and not once has it been hit. There's some of the detritus. There's another pile of detritus over the back. My big worry now is this branch. I'll come around and give you a better angle. Meanwhile, everything up this end of the garden is looking perfectly happy. I think you see this is directly overhanging the garden, and when I turn on my reciprocating sprinkler later this evening, it's going to get heavier, so I'm not going to be at all surprised to have to wake up to some more chainsaw work. Oh joy. In the meantime, things keep going on. The triffid keeps growing. Pumpkins galore. The tomato in there is doing nicely. Opal's having a nibble, as she does. Bobby's busy chewing on wood, as she does. These tomatoes looking rather good. I've just slowly turned on the aqua rack and running some water through there. And Titan. There you go, big fella. Oh, he's come over to say hello. No, just keep eating, mate. He really is a magnificent specimen. Let's get back to eating. I know, you're looking for a treat. You'll get a treat later. Okay, I'll sign out now. Somehow I'll keep going. Peace, love and light.